Billy's leaving today, don't know where he's going. Holds his head in disgrace, he can't escape the truth. He knows the price that he's paid. He admits that it's too late to admit that he's afraid. Tomorrow comes, sorrow becomes his soulmate. The damage is done, the prodigal son is too late. Oh, doors closed, but he's always open to relive time in his mind. Oh, Billy. Billy's leaving today, don't know where he's going. He's got lines on his face that tell a story of his pain. He accepts it's his fate. He admits it took too long to admit that he was wrong. Tomorrow comes.